west, southwest, and western Pennsylvania, east central Ohio, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. When, until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor Weather Bulletin. For the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Guernsey, Harrison, Monroe, Noble, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Harrison County in east central Ohio, Guernsey County in east central Ohio, northwestern Monroe County in east central Ohio, eastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, eastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio, western Carroll County in east central Ohio, Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, Noble County in east central Ohio, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mount Eaton to 9 miles southeast of South Zanesville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages can be expected. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Cambridge, Uricksville, Caldwell, Freeport, Newcomerstown, Denison, Strasburg, New Concord, Bezville, West Lafayette. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 166 and 196. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 95. These storms have a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather message.